Mina ngikhuluma ngoYeshua ophele minyaka, ophele ngunaphakade. Ngikhuluma ngoYeshua ophele minyaka, ophele ngunaphakade. Kuwena kosalile kase umuze phatha kahle emhlabeni. Kuyosalile kase umuze phatha kahle emhlabeni. uYeshua kophele minyaka, ephile ngunaphakade. uYeshua ophele minyaka, uphele ngunaphakade. Kuwena kosalile kase umuze phatha kahle. Kophelile kase uma uziphatha kahle. Kophelile kase umuze phatha kahle. uYeshua kophele minyaka, ungunaphakade. uYeshua uyophile minyaka, ungunaphakade. uYeshua ophele minyaka, uphele ungunaphakade. uYeshua ophele minyaka, uphele ungunaphakade. People of South Africa and the government of South Africa and the opposition parties who drastically joined the GNU, Government of National Unity, while opposing the ruling party. We all, as South Africans, look at the people who are killing people in the townships, people who are robbing people in the townships, in their houses, and the drugs cartels. But when the opinions of the people of South Africa, especially black people, colored people, black Indian people, black Chinese people, as you call them, they are black, they will react so horrendous towards your mischievous actions to our country and our fellow young people of South Africa, especially black people, by selling those drugs. And those drugs are even found in the leadership of our government, the ruling party called the ANC, the ruling party called DA, the ruling party is called Inkatha Freedom Party, all those GNU political parties who are opposing this ANC. But I think they get from these drugs cartels who are not even having the graduation certificate of their education, academic skills. But all they do, they give the leadership of us. You take us cheap. I'm telling you this. The people will keep quiet. But one day, they'll be walking on the street with your heads. I'm telling you. They will become so angry with you. Damn it.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trender. Lowa ke waba actor umfana John Sehlophe. Umfana John Sehlophe besimati kakhulu laphana kumabonakude, sambona futhi nalaphana aku Uzalo ke sana, and beka actor besimati ke ukuthi beka actor nathi kwesidingo uyakhumbula ukuthi ngazuthi wa actor, and abantu abaningi bebamthanda ngendlela lesimanga. But unfortunately ku-acting kuhamba kufika isikhathi la ugqine ungasanamsebenzi khona. Sikubonile lokho kwenteka kuma-actor amaningi, wabone ama-actor ukuthi hayi cha sekunzima, now they are really down and out. Labanye size sibabone sebaqela ngisho nema-donations. Lokwento abantu abaningi batibuta ukuthi yini inkinga lilaphana ku-acting, kungani bani bakhona uma bangasanamsebenzi. Lo mnye umbona ngazuthi umbone ukuthi ngazuthi sowuhambelwa ingqondo, lo mnye umbone ukuthi cha guys, impilo imadimala ngaphandle, impilo imadima. Uzuve nebantu basho ukuthi hey hayi cha ngazuthi kunelidimoni lelikhona laphana ku-acting industry. Umfana John Sehlophe ngilabanye naye lesekaphelile emsebenzi we-actor, so uhleli ekhaya, impilo seyimadima, and siyambona zama kuba i-motivational speaker kulamalanga. Siyabona ukuthi uyaqula, uyarapha, and people are saying ukuthi cha tikhiphe leti ngoma uluqulako, tikhiphe sitokweseka, sama laughing, sama saying ukuthi cha nawe phela uzama kona ukuthi uzame impilo. Song loyo naloyo nje unathi commentela la kufuna kwalaphana kuma-post Mfana John Sehlophe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.